Today we're going to be comparing the ZeroWater filter with the classic Brita that's been around forever. I know what you're saying, it's a tech channel, tech video channel on YouTube. Why are we comparing water filters? Well, it's just because we wanted to compare these water filters, but there is a little actually added bonus here, and we do actually have a little piece of tech. The ZeroWater filter actually comes with this nifty little TDS tester that allows us to test how many dissolved solids are in the water. Really like one of these products. You'll probably see which one towards the end of the video once we go ahead and do this test. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's just take a quick look at these two different models. Again, here we have the classic Brita filter, been around forever, not too much new about it. A couple of cool features about it. One, since the last one I had back in college many years ago, they did make it a little bit easier to fill the water, and so it doesn't spill out. The spout that they have is actually a little bit nicer now, a little bit easier to pour the water. So all in all, kind of the same old filter that you've probably seen around for years. Now let's take a quick look at the ZeroWater filter. Just looking at it, it's a pretty big jug. The top does have a good amount of a barrel to filter that water. The one main difference here is you do notice a spout, which is great for just putting in the fridge, leaving it there, and just kind of pouring your glass of water. The one thing I'm not crazy about the ZeroWater filter is how you pour the water. You actually have to pop off this top right here, which is a little difficult. Also, the spout, kind of not great, doesn't pour that great. The Brita does pour a little bit better than the ZeroWater filter. But it doesn't really matter so much how the water gets poured, it matters so much how clean is the water that you're drinking. So let's go ahead and start the testing. The first thing you're going to see here is the first glass in the middle is actually tap water coming right from the sink, and actually we are on well water right now, so we do have a filtration system already. It goes through a filter, goes through a water softener. The water softener has salt in it if you're not familiar, so my guess is there probably are some a good amount of dissolved solids in there, probably the salt. But let's go ahead and take a test of that tap water. Okay, so let's take a look at the tap water here. It looks like we are at 170. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but we have 170. Pretty high dissolved solids in the tap water. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour a glass of the Brita water. Okay, and then let's go ahead and test that Brita water. Okay, it actually drops down to 112. So it does take out some of the dissolved solids, so that's not too bad, but it's still pretty high. So as you can see, there is a major difference actually between the regular tap water and what the Brita filters out with just its carbon filter. Let's get to what we've all been waiting for. This is the ZeroWater, and let's see what happens with the ZeroWater. We're just going to pour a glass. And we're going to go ahead and test with our TDS tester. And as you can see, if you can see, we are at triple zeros. Dip it one more time just so we could see here. 0, 0, 0. Not too bad. So as you can see, the ZeroWater filter takes out all of the dissolved solids. Just a quick comparison between the two, and to be honest, my choice and what we've been using now for about a month, and keep in mind this actual filter is about a month old. The Brita is brand new, just used this one time so far. So the ZeroWater filter actually takes out a lot more dissolved solids. If you're willing to put up with maybe a lesser water flow when you're pouring, or a little tougher to pop open the top to fill it, you get much better water out of the ZeroWater filter. If you're interested in this ZeroWater filter, some of the best prices on Amazon, check out our link below. You actually, for 28 bucks, you get the filter, 10-cup filter with this nice spout, as well as the water tester that we were just showing you there. So go ahead and check out that link below.
We wanted to test out the ZeroWater filter and how it measures up against some of the more popular bottled waters you might find at your local supermarket or convenience store. Check out the video you see on the screen right now where we use the TDS tester on various brand names of water like Poland Spring, Dasani, Aquafina, even some of the more expensive bottles like Fiji or Voss water. The results are actually pretty shocking. You'll see how they measure up. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews on all of your tech product needs. Thanks for watching.